It's easy to stay consistent when you have a system in your mind. So rather than having a fixed goal or a motivation, to be precise, I feel like motivation is a correct word here. So rather than having that, if you have a proper system where after a while your mind starts feeling like, you know what, I need to do this. Why? Because not doing it is not normal, right? So your mind starts treating it like a subconscious habit which you need to do, like brushing your teeth every day, right? So this is what happening with me right now. So I just got done with the project, not the project, the session specifically. So for those who don't know, I've been making a project and I am almost on the verge of ending the backend part. It's almost done, right? So after that I'll move to front end and then I'll have a proper project. And when I chose this project, it wasn't for the sake of making the project, but instead it was for me to learn things, right? It was almost like whatever concepts involved there, I'm going to learn them, but instead of watching tutorials, I'll learn them by creating them. So instead of going to YouTube and looking for the tutorials, I went to ChatGPT. I explained it, the project I had in my mind. Basically, it was a project which I made way earlier, but then it was almost like everything was AI coded and all. And I thought that project has that potential where all of those concepts are like industry levels. I was like, it's better to break it again and then start all over again. So which I did. And when I started it, it felt like I am pushing myself every day, which felt good. Eventually it felt good and it was like, this is something I need to do. This is how people work, right? I kept it doing for almost like a week, then another week, and after that it became like a habit, right? So now I have multiple things. I am doing projects, I am doing DSA, I am recording this video. Why? Because I need to stay consistent. Earlier it was all because of a motivation initial phase, but now when I don't do these things, or even let's say if there is a day when I am not doing these things, it feels little off. Why? It feels like, oh, I'm missing something. Why? Because now my mind has rewired it into a way where this needs to be treated like a system instead of a motivation. So it's almost like it has embedded into my mind now that it feels like it's exactly the same how I treat brushing my teeth every day. This is also like exactly one of those things. So when you don't brush your teeth for a day, you might feel a little awkward, or you feel like, oh, there is something missing, man. I need to do this. This is how it feels now. So like, been almost a month. I've been doing all of these things combined together, where I'm recording the video, where I'm recording everything I'm doing right now, where I am doing projects, where I'm learning DSA, basically multiple things, cold DMings and all. So I feel like now I've came to the realization that this is a very important thing, that when you start treating the things which needs to be done as a system instead of motivation, it becomes a lot more easier. But it's not, definitely not up to you, that like right from the first day your mind won't treat it like that. You have to stick to it, right? So when you like keep repeating those things for a week and then another week and then another week, then it starts feeling like, okay, you know what, this is a very normal thing, I need to do it daily. This is how this has been for me. So if you're also someone who is building things, who is doing things, let's do it together. I haven't removed my glasses yet, but that's fine. I was actually coding and then I, sat down. I was like, you know what, record this. Cheers. Thank you.